Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Now I am here live to make this announcement that I will be sharing with all of you the study plan for September examination for the subject of AFM, Advanced Financial Management. Friends, as per the study plan, which I'll be sharing with you very soon, just stay tuned with my upcoming announcement videos also. I'm actually going to go live with a premium mentoring program along with the recorded lectures where I'll be providing you not only with a study plan but with a proper recorded order of classes along with the doubt clearing session so that everything can be completed within a short span of 2 months. Only thing that you as students have to focus on is study for 2 hours a day of AFM. You can fix your time. I normally recommend 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. because that is the time when you don't have any other classes. So you can sit and study AFM at your own pace. Every Monday, I'll come live at 9 p.m. to clear all your doubts. So 1 hour we'll spend, clear all the doubts. Every week we'll finish one target. Like in the first week, we'll finish share valuation. Next week, portfolio. The week after that, we will do, let's say, mergers. So week by week, we'll finish chapter by chapter. Total, we will have 8 weeks. June and July adding up together, we have 8 weeks. So in these 8 weeks, we will finish off with the entire AFM. August will be the buffer time. In this month of August, you will be having 3 mock examination. All right. So in this mock exam, along with MCQ, which you have to write down, and I will help you to correct these answer sheets. And we will have the revision classes for RTP, MTP, and we will have a 20-hour marathon. So with that, by September, most of you who are writing in September can write the exam smoothly and can clear the exam in the September attempt itself. So please stay tuned and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get more updates like this very, very soon. Thank you so much.